Welcome back to the course. In the previous video, we talked about port and service discovery. In this lecture, we will talk about OS discovery using banner grabbing or OS fingerprinting. An attacker uses OS discovery or banner grabbing techniques to identify network hosts, running application and OS versions with known exploits. This section introduces you to banner grabbing and its types, and its tools as well as useful countermeasures that you can adopt against it. Banner grabbing or OS fingerprinting is the method used to determine the operating system running on a remote target system. There are two types of banner grabbing: active and passive. Active banner grabbing applies the principle that an operating system's IP stack has a unique way of responding specially crafted TCP packets. This happens because of different interpretations that the vendor apply while implementing the TCP IP stack on a particular operating system. In active banner grabbing, the attacker sends a variety of malformed packets of the remote host, and then the responses are compared with the database. Now, talking about passive banner grabbing. Just like active banner grabbing, passive banner grabbing also depends on the differential implementations of the stack and various ways in which an operating system responds to packets. However, instead of relying on scanning the target host, passive fingerprinting captures packets from the target host via sniffing to study the signs that can reveal an operating system. Now, how to identify target system operating system? One of the good ways is to check for the time to live packets or TTL packets, which can be done using tools like Unicorn Scan or even the ping tool. So let me show you how. So now we will ping one of the target over here is create it. And over here on the ping side, you can see that we have the TTL. If the TTL is showing 64, then it means that it is a Linux operating system. Now, pinging one of the Windows machines will show you the TTL to be 128 as shown over here. So this is one of the ways from which you can actually identify whether the target machine is Linux or Windows. We can even use nmaps-o option to perform operating system discovery, which will provide us the operating system details of the target machine. So we use the command nmap-o and the target IP's address. We got the result and we can see that nmap detected is as Windows 7 2008 or 8.1 operating system, since my target was Windows 7 as you can see over here. Now let's try for the other target, which was Linux machine. We can see that we got the operating system details as Linux kernel version 2.6.9 to 2.6.33. Keep in mind that we might sometimes get false positive as well. We can even use nmaps NAC scripts to perform operating system discovery using the services open on the target machine. Some of them being the SMB OS discovery script, which can help us know the operating system through the SMB protocol. We can even do the operating system discovery using the IPv6 addresses by specifying the -6 before the target IP address or even the target host name. These are some banner grabbing countermeasures which you can apply during your real-time scenario. Thanks for joining with us.